Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be learning how to do the artificial intelligence yearbook trend. So you may have struck with those AI yearbook trend where various people are just making their pictures and their collages and different types of edit stuff. So you can simply do that by going to this particular app called Epic, which is a photo editor. So to get it, you can simply head over to your app store, and there you're going to be searching for Epic. So simply type in here Epic, and you will be able to see that at the very second place we have this Epic AI photo editor. So you are going to be installing that, and once you install it, you will be able to create this AI yearbook type of pictures, and you simply need to provide it your clear pictures of yourself, and it will simply analyze it and create amazing type of yearbook challenge type of photos. And yeah, so you can see I have installed it. So let's just simply head over to that, and it is just asking for some permissions. So once you do, you can see it is giving us an option to buy their plan. So you can see we have this option of start editing, but below you can see we have AI yearbook challenge. So we are going to be simply picking up some pictures from our gallery, and you can see it is now giving us some advices. So you can simply click on continue, and we need to simply upload some photos, and once you upload, you will be able to get some results similar to this particular one, and you will have some your AI yearbook pictures created. So that's a pretty simple process on how to do so. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.